Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today I did another look using the Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar, and I focused in on the grays and blues in the palette versus the browns. And this is the look I came up with. So if you want to see how I got this look, you know the deal. Keep watching. Hey beautifuls, so we are going to do another look with this Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar. So this came in our BoxyCharm, and I did a look with it yesterday, mainly with the browns, and now I'm going to do a smoky look with the other colors, the blues and grays. So I think I'm going to stick in the area of like here, up in here. I may dip into the dark side, name of the shade, and then I'll probably go up here to lighten it up a little bit. Just because if stuff is too dark on my eyes, it doesn't necessarily look good on me. So rough morning because I was cleaning. I'd rather sit here and make videos all day long before I clean anything. I used to have people come and clean my house. I don't have the time to take off to be here. I know. You don't have to be home for people to clean your house, but because of the dogs and they're unpredictable to me, I do clean that. I do come home and clean. I mean, I do come home when they clean. Yeah. Sorry, my family. My sister-in-law, she wants me to make something for my niece's birthday. Anyhow, sorry about that. This is when the folks that, not in my area, but another area of work, are doing what they call year-end close on the budget, and I'm trying to stay close to my phone because in case they need me for something. Not that they need me at all, but, you know, just team player, you know. So I'm looking for my eye primer. That's if you're wondering what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. What I should do is it. I get to get into my pan 13 by Halloween. I'll give you guys an update on that this week. First I have to go and look and see what I finished, because I finished some things. Alright, so I'm trying to use up my Lorac shadow primer. And then we are gonna go into this palette some. See what we got. This is going to be an interesting look. So I will set my base with a little bit of this white up here. If I remember right, it's got a little shimmer to it. If it's the one I'm thinking of, it is not. The one, the shimmer is the one in the middle. It's what I used when I did my other look. Just setting that base. Make sure my eyeshadow glides easier across my eyes. Especially since we're doing a darker look. Alright. So, what do I have all over my face? I don't want to get too dark too soon, so I'm going to do this shade right here, which is just a transition. It is a taupe colored shade, so it will lean towards browns or grays. So I'm comfortable using that. Alright, what are we going to go into next? It looks like both the dark side and Silver Spoon are shimmers. Yeah, that dark side is a shift. Well, let's just put some on our eyes. Let's do our lid. Let's see what this looks like. No, this is, yeah, this is definitely a shimmer. Let's see what it looks like when I wet my brush. This is a Sephora shadow brush. It's called a cream brush. It's, you know, what you would ideally use with cream eyeshadows, but, oh, that looks so much better. That's better. But it works really good with all my stuff. I use it all the time. Especially if I'm wetting my brush. Which I do a lot. Alright, Courtney. I'm going to go into this dark side, which is that shift. Yes. Yes, I'm getting ready to do something different. So this is the most expensive little brush you've ever seen in your life. This is a $30 brush. It's ridiculous. Alright, we're going to go up into this shade up here, this white. I'm going to try and get that on the inner part of my eye to kind of tone down the dark. Let's see what happens when I wet this brush. Normally don't have to wet this brush. It does work. It does work pretty good. But nothing, no brush is worth 30 bucks. I'm sorry. Alright, let's see here. I don't know. We're going to have to see how this comes together. Alright, so I think I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called All Nighter. It looks like it says All Nighter. I'm not sure that's really what it says. I can't see. I need a little bit more precise of a brush, because I don't want to get this all over my eyeballs and my face. And it looks, just pat my brush in it, looks pretty dark. I never did like a crease color because I didn't have one to work with, but maybe this is going to be my outer and my crease. How's that? Liking it? Let's just do one more pass through here. Whoa, that's a little much, isn't it? I just got a clean brush. I'm just gonna blend that out because I put a little much on. blend those edges out a little bit. And I think we're going to be good. That's all we're going to do for now. Alright guys, we're going to go into some stuff in my little kit here that I'm trying to use up. This is my Glam Glow Starter. I'm almost out of this, which is good because I don't want to. I have like 2 jars of this. I have the mattifying one and the glow one, or the one that's not mattifying. They both supposedly glow. Ooh, look at this. Blend that together. Blend, blend, blend. Do you ever like put your makeup on and then like go to work or school or whatever, and then you look in the mirror and you go, what the hell did I do? Happens to me all the time. Alright, we're trying to use up our Estee Lauder Double Wear and we are close. Ha! I see you putting. I see you putting. We're going to go back in with my Artiste little palm brush. Oh, wow. You go, Artiste. Yes, lots of, Alright, guys. And we're going to go into, I'm going to go wet this little sponge. Okay, I'm back. My hair is starting to get crazy. I gotta go see Jessica today. Okay, Susan, we're not supposed to be messing with our hair this much. Promised yourself you wouldn't. Okay, this is Revolution Beauty's concealer. That's what it's called. It's freaking concealer. Don't you understand? Don't you know? Betsy's a little bit wound up because he's mad at me. I vacuumed this morning. The nerve of me. He hates the vacuum. And I've had him a long time since, you know, he was a little baby. And nobody touched that dog with a vacuum. Something just flipped in my eye. Okay. Then we'll go in and put a little bit of brightening powder from Becca, the under eye brightening powder. We'll put that on to set that. Setting, we're setting, we're setting. We need a little more to set with. Get that powder in there, girl. See if we can prevent some creasing. Probably not, because you're old. Sorry. Yesterday I went for my pump training. Oh my god. I had that pump. That pump was hooked up and gone. Like I was on it. They were like, well, what are we doing? Why are we training you if you've done all this already? Good question. Okay. We're just going to use a little bit of my hourglass. I don't have a big one. I just got a little sample size of an hourglass. And we're going to put that on the rest of our face. We're going to go back and mess with those eyes some. Okay. Okay. Creasing. 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 I'm just trying to use up that concealer. Nobody wants to look old, though. Okay. So, let me go back in and fix this eyes up. I'm going to go back into that white shimmer shade that I've got on my inner part of my eye and see if I can't bring it out some more over here. Because I got to even up my eyes. I'm going with that same color, and we're going to put that in our inner corner. Just for a slight brightening. It's not brightening enough for me. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't even like it. We'll go in to a Kat Von D Thunderstruck, which does have a little gold tint to it, but Kat Von D. I only use this for my inner corner. Better. Okay. Let's finish up these eyes a little bit with some that darker shade under our eyes. Just a tiny bit. I'm using a pretty small pencil brush because I don't want this to go everywhere. Just a tiny bit, yeah. Oh, my eyes. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and I'm going to spray my face with some of my Too Faced Hangover Spray. My freaking thing is... it's coming out. Leaking everywhere. So I'm just trying to get what I would do it normally with my Fix Plus. I just haven't pulled out any bottle of Fix Plus. Just trying to set some of that stuff down. Just trying to use some stuff up, peeps. I do like this Too Faced 3-in-1, but dang. Could we not leak everywhere? Alright, let's do our brows real quick. Brows. Do them brows. Come on. Yeah. My brows are a little bit wet, so this is going on a little bit differently. It's going to be alright. Actually, it's going on a little bit better. We are just going to short strokes and just kind of define. I like it. I like it a lot, a lot. I like it, I like it, I really, really like it. This alto bars. You don't know nothing about that? These young people out here. That's old folk music. Do you like it? Do you like it? I really, really like it. I'm actually putting a dent in my dip brow. I've had that thing for so long. I can't believe I just wasn't ready to use this yet. That's what it was. Had to train myself to use it right. How is that? Don't ever think something is so hard like you can't try it. Because you can do anything. You can do it. I promise. Put your mind to it. You can do it. Practice. I didn't know how to do this stuff. I mean, I had never... Thank God it's in that protective sleeve. My hand touched it and I was like, hello. Alright, so I swear I'm making progress in this. No kidding. When I'm not filming on the weekends, I'm trying to use everything in that bag. Alright, alright, alright. It's beautiful outside. It's absolutely gorgeous. I know you're like, this nut job needs some help. This hair. I should put hairspray on it. The only reason I don't, I hate freaking hairspray. I hate my hair to be stiff. You know, like, don't touch it. It's ready. I'm gonna go in. I've been working on this one right here. I should just keep doing that. Just keep doing it, Susan. Just keep it up. This is a Milani. And it looks literally beautiful. It is so beautiful. I keep saying that I'm going to hit... Oh, we gotta snatch that nose. Wait a minute. Snatch it up, girl. Hope. I miss you. I miss your videos. For watching. So much. I miss you. Alright. So, let's put some, let's just put a dab of highlighter on. I'm getting there. I'm telling you, I'm gonna hit this pan this month. Or October, should I say. Oh my. Now, so we're gonna go back in here and we are gonna find my matte Ruby Roo. In the world, I have stuff everywhere. You know that? You guys do know that. All right, so this is Ruby Woo, I think. Woo. This is supposed to be a universal red that anybody can wear. So, honestly, I think I might have gotten a bad, well, our mine's gone bad. It's pretty new. Ruby Woo. And we'll put on some little lip gloss with that. Try not to change the color. No, this is not what I'm looking for. So frustrated at all this stuff. At way too much stuff. That is not red. It is red, but it's not red. It's not the same red. Alright guys. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss. I think it's candy apple. And, yeah. So that's pretty much it. This is the look I got using the gray colors in that palette. And once again, Courtney got me. So, anyways, guys, I hope you like the look. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Mwah.